have to admit, sometimes it's hard for me to figure out when is just the right time for me to pull my annuals. Annuals are plants that only live for a short time, probably one season, maybe more if you do some deadheading. You can make them stretch a little bit longer, but there does come a time where they're not looking all that great, kind of an eyesore, and you just want to pull them out, yank those babies out, and put something bright and cheery in their spot. I like to strike a balance between pretty and letting nature use what's there for resources. And I took a few minutes the other day and sat out and just kind of watched. And I think I've made my decision if I'm going to keep them in there a little bit longer. So that basically gave me my answer. I'm going to leave my annuals in there another week or two and let the birds and the bees enjoy them some more. If you listen very carefully, just sit down in some quiet time in your garden and open your eyes, open your ears, and nature will let you know when the timing is right.